everyone, I'm Shermin from Guzheng and I'm the president of this CCA. What we do in Guzheng is basically we self-practice our Guzheng skills and we learn new songs through our score sheets that our teachers give us. I think some of the values that Guzheng has taught me personally is teamwork, because there's no way this Guzheng is a one-man job. We all have to work together to synchronize, to be in beat so that we can play together as one whole team. And I think one of the most memorable things that I experienced during my CCA is personally the SIF 2023. I think it has impacted my life to become a sort of a leader, to lead the team also. And I think Guzheng is a very good way to make yourself a better individual with more morals.